Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have a synthetic wig review for you guys. It's giving very much summer vibes. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So the wig I'm going to be reviewing is from the Sensationnel Butta collection, and I've reviewed several wigs from that collection. This is their Butta Unit 34 in the color Chunky Highlight Blonde. So the base of it is like a 1B, and then it has the blonde highlights that are like a 613. These are set part wigs, and they have the set middle part, but you can shift it to the side if you want to, but I kept it as a middle part. You have two combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. And this is a very big head friendly wig. So if you have a smaller head, you're going to have to wear your wig grip or adjust your straps. But big head girls, this one's for us. So one thing I love about the Butta collection is that the lace blends down very well. And I feel like you get that frontal illusion of the What Lace collection, but in a more beginner friendly package. Now you do have a stationary part that you can't change, but if that's not a big deal to you, I definitely recommend checking out the Butta collection. Also, Miss Ma'am is very long. I'm 6 feet tall, and I feel like this is probably like 26 inches. So keep that in mind. I did decide to tweeze this hairline up, and I'm just going to let you guys watch that process. Really, with the tweezing process, all I do is pluck and skip. I don't like continuously pluck like right beside each other, because then it'll start to look bald and too thin. I do have a standalone video, and I'll try to put that on the info card for you guys. So now I'm going to use my hot comb just to make sure the top of the wig is not too humpy. And I'm going to go ahead and start to cut the lace on this wig as well. And I am going to wear this wig glueless. So on this particular day, I reviewed like 4 wigs. So I didn't want to glue down any of my wigs. And I am used to gluing down all of my synthetic wigs. But I was like, let's try a glueless install, because I've been doing that so much with my human hair wigs, and it worked out. This was so easy. This is why this video is like under 6 minutes, because this was an easy glueless install and it looked really good. So after I cut the lace, I just took my powder and I put that in the parting space. This was a very easy install. All I did was put that powder in my parting space, as I told you guys. And I also like put it in between the areas in the hairline to make it look even more natural. And it looked good. So this is a silky texture though. That's the only complaint I would say, just because I prefer like yakkier textures. So keep that in mind. This is a more silky texture. If you want to knock that down, definitely, it's more of a silky, shinier texture. So if you want to knock that down, use some dry shampoo. But overall, I think it's really nice. It's big head friendly. And I like the edgy, chunky highlights in this wig as well. And I like that you can get a frontal kind of look without any adhesives, even the temporary adhesives. Nothing was used, and this looks really, really good. Now, this is a like 26-inch synthetic wig. You're going to get some tangling and you'll get some shedding. It's not extreme to me, but this is super long. You're going to get some of that. But overall, I think this is really, really beautiful. I'm going to give this wig like an 8.5, 9. It's stunning. Love the way this looks. It looks very beachy and effortless. And this is a sunlight test for you guys. Even with the glueless install, I think it looks really, really good. So if you want kind of an edgy summer look, you know, check this one out. But yeah, the only con I have is that it's shiny with the texture, because it is on the silky side. And I'm not a silky girl. I like my yucky textures. But, you know, using that dry shampoo to knock that down will definitely help it. Overall, this is a really nice wig. And if you haven't checked out the Butta collection, you should. They have so many styles. Like, I have probably tried, I don't know, maybe like 9 or 10 of them, but they have like 30 plus. I don't know, they might be in the 40s now. I haven't checked in a while. But yeah, it's a great collection and very beginner friendly. And they have a lot of diverse styles out there. So if you don't like the super long looks, they do have bobs and all kinds of styles out there for you guys. And it's affordable, and you can wear glueless. Look at me doing the glueless thing. So If you are interested in this wig, I'll put my Amazon affiliate link in the description box for you guys. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and talk to me down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.